Irish, language of Ireland. This ancient Celtic Changa was once spoken in every corner of this misty green isle. This island, or Ilan as I prefer, enjoyed the sounds of Gaeilge, gach lá agus in ngach áit, from religion to trade, and from education to lovemaking. The echoes of Gaeilge were everywhere. Ach ar an drochuair, but unfortunately, our colonial oppressors had other ideas. So very soon the land of St. Patrick and Cuchulainn became an imperial outpost for England. Brehon law made way for the penal laws as the Irish were treated like second-class citizens in their own land. Our native tongue flirted with extinction. It truly was, on Gorta Moor, the great hurt. But, like the moon on a foggy night, some things in life are there, even if they are unseen and ignored by the masses. Irish is all around us, and do you know what it is? It is a bruntonus full of driocht. A bruntonus is a present, a gift, and driocht is magic. Driocht, doesn't that sound so much better in Irish? Driocht. And that magic is there for all to see, but only if you open your eyes, and only if you want to open your eyes. The magic of Irish is simple. It links everything together as one. Nature, the land, the sea, animals, people, history, and folklore. How does it do this, I hear you ask? Well, I'll tell you right now. Think of Knock na Shee in County Sligo. But what does that mean? It doesn't mean anything. Knock? What's that about? Knocking on a door? Na? She? Who's she? I don't know. Do you? Now it makes sense, because now we're looking at its original Irish name. Cnoc na Shee. Cnoc na Shee. The Hill of the Fairies. Driocht. These are my arms and these are freckles, but these are not spots or imperfections. They are a beautiful product of my genes, my environment, my land, and my Changa doesn't necessarily call them freckles. To me, they are Pogini Graine. Pogini Graine. Sun kisses. This is a wolf. This majestic animal was once as widespread in Ireland as the Irish language itself, but it was driven to extinction. In Irish, this beautiful creature is known as Mac Tíre. Mac Tíre, the son of the land. Driocht. In a world with dwindling rainforests, raging wildfires, and illegal poaching, surely to God we need more sons of the land. I could go on and on. The land of fish, God's little calf, the red dog, the large creature, and the leaping of the deer in County Limerick. Irish links us together, le chéile. It links us with nature. It links us with our history and our heritage, and it reminds us of what once was and what could be possible again, but only if you decolonize your mind. This language is Irish. This language is Driocht.